In this video, we'll talk about how to track a bank loan. Let's start by creating categories. One of them will be the capital category for the loan itself. The expense category will be for interest. To take a loan into account, we have to create a new operation. The amount must be negative. Now we have 25,000 in cash, we earned 15, and 10 is provided by the bank. After a while, it was a time to pay a part of the debt, and interest to the bank. We'll first add operation for the loan, and then for interest. Now let's look at the analysis. The first thing we see is a positive effect on funds because of the loan. But if we uncheck the capitalization, we'll see the impact of debt servicing.